Turmeric has been considered as one of the most powerful and healthiest spices since ages and thus has been a part of every household. Because of its wonderful health benefits, it has also been an important component of Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine. Today's video will discuss about benefits of applying turmeric paste around your eyes. Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Ingredients require half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon raw honey, 1 teaspoon pressed pineapple juice, a few drops of lemon juice. How to make this paste? Mix all the ingredients together to form a smooth paste. Apply it under your eyes and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water and apply a hydrating moisturizer. If you have sensitive skin, do not add lemon juice. Apply this paste regularly for a week and you will see results. All the ingredients present in this mask have healing properties. The paste rejuvenates and lightens your skin and improves circulation. Some other health benefits of turmeric. Number 1. This amazing spice can fight free radicals in the body. Number 2. Turmeric can also improve the overall health of the brain, thereby helping in preventing Alzheimer's disease. Number 3. It is very effective in regulating blood sugar levels and controlling diabetes. Number 4. It has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help in the treatment of several diseases, including arthritis and painful joints. Number 5. Turmeric stimulates the gallbladder and is very useful in treating bowel inflammation, thus it is improved digestion. Number 6. It is very effective in the artery cleansing process, thus helping in maintaining the health of the heart. Have you ever tried these remedies to get rid of dark circle under your eyes? Let me know in our comment section below.